Greetings everyone and welcome. This is Carlos from Everything Tech, and in this video I'm unboxing, having a first look and testing the Insignia digital LED shower head. This device was kindly sent to me by Insignia for the purpose of this review. This beautifully crafted shower head will blend in with every bathroom or shower as if it was part of it all along. This device uses dynamo technology, which requires no batteries, and it powers the display just with the pressure of the water. The device fits standard 15mm shower hoses and it's extremely easy to install. Just unscrew your old shower head and screw in your new Insignia one. This shower head uses 3 colors to display the water temperature. Up until 30 Celsius, the color is blue as the water is too cold. As soon as it goes above 30 Celsius, it turns green, and it stays green until 40 Celsius, as those are the perfect water conditions. When the water is too hot, it turns red when it goes above 40 Celsius. This shower head is the perfect example on how to use tech to prevent scalding showers. It also has a dial under the display to change to massage mode. So this is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.